Hi, in this beginner guide to SEO, search engine optimization, you're going to learn about 3 different ways that people search online. Quick note, this video series was originally created as part of a beta version of the Badass Creatives Marketing Accelerator. I am moving all of my educational content from that program over here to YouTube so you can watch it for free, but the new version of the Badass Creatives Marketing Accelerator will still include a mentorship, support from me, and a community of other badass creatives, artists, makers, and creative business owners. So if you want to learn more about the program and get on the wait list for when enrollment reopens, head over to badasscreatives.com. When we think about the ways that people search, we are searching in different ways and for different reasons. So thinking about the ways that people use the internet or the way that people use search engines or any other platform, same thing if we're thinking about social media, trying to understand why people are using those tools like search engines can help us better optimize our websites for those search engines. So there's 3 main ways that people search typically, and those are navigational, informational, and transactional. So let's dive in a little bit deeper. So navigational, just like it sounds, it's like the old compass and the map and trying to figure your way out to the information or the place that you're trying to get going. So it's people already have a specific website in mind. Maybe they know they want to look up information about a particular company. So they might be using branded search terms. They might already be familiar with your company. Maybe they saw you at a craft show, but they didn't get that business card. So they're typing in your business name into the search engine and they're trying to find your website. Maybe they type in Facebook into a Google search engine instead of just typing facebook.com in the browser. Something like that is an example of a navigational search. Informational searches are somebody's maybe has an idea of the type of information they're looking for, but it's not as specific as that first one, right? They might not be looking for a specific brand yet. A lot of times this is where people are asking questions. They're trying to figure out how to do something, or they're trying to figure out why something is the way it is, or just more information in general. This could be a lot of different types of information. They have questions a lot of times in this type of search. And so this is one of the areas where doing things like creating really helpful blog posts, tutorials, helpful evergreen content, things like YouTube videos, and all sorts of that kind of information that might exist on your website. Those are the types of information that can be helpful in targeting these types of informational search queries or questions. And then lastly, transactional is where we want to buy something. We are looking to make a transaction or a purchase. And this could be kind of a combination of the transactional intent of searching for something. It could be that kind of in a combination with that navigational or informational, right? Like maybe we know we want to buy something and we know we want to specifically buy Nike shoes, for example. So that's kind of transactional, but also that navigational. I know I want to go to the Nike shoe website, or I know I want to go to some other shoe store that sells Nikes, right? Because Nike is specifically what I want. Or it might be, I have the desire, the intent to buy something, to purchase something, but I'm still trying to figure out exactly what type of shoes I want to buy. So that might be a little bit of a mix of transactional and informational. Maybe I'm trying to find the perfect cute shoes for wedding. I'm going to a wedding. I need them to be a certain color. So they need to be red shoes. Maybe I have wide feet. So I'm going to include all of that information in my search. So like I said, they might be searching a specific brand name. They might be searching for a specific type of product, or they might use more generic product descriptions, things like cute clothes near me, or shoes for wide feet, things like that.